What's happening, YouTube? It's Thibblendz, and in this one we got a high taper fade. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe before we get into it. Let's do it. So first we gonna go in with our half guard, lever about halfway closed, and then we just gonna cut down at an angle, and then we gonna debulk. So after I finish debulking, I'm gonna set in my guideline, and I'm gonna set it right at the ear. And I can use my full clipper instead of using just the corner, because now I know I'm going in with a high taper, and he has a lot to cut, so I can use my full clipper to this. So with my one guard, I'm gonna flick out at that line. So with my two guard, I'm gonna go even higher than my one, as you can see, and then after my two, I'll come back in between the one and the two where I'm supposed to blend at. It's important while you're going through this and following the steps that you effectively use your comb to comb out the hair as you're fading. But now I'm going in with no guard, and then I'm gonna just flick out at that bottom line, and as you can see, it's going away. So now with my 1.5 guard about halfway open, I'm gonna go in between that 1 and the 2 where I was previously cutting. So now within the no guard, lever open, and the 1 guard, I'm gonna go in between that with my half guard about halfway open, and I'm gonna just flick out. And as you can tell, the fade is starting to come together. So a lot of times after I'm done going through all my steps and my progressions, I like to go back in with my 1 guard lever closed and just see if that makes a difference sometimes. But as you can see, it's pushing up the bulk of the hair, so I'll probably go back in and debulk some of that. But I'm just retracing my steps and detailing. So now, just like I said, this is the part where I'm going in with my 1 guard, and I'm just flicking out at that bulk. And sometimes the blend may not come out to how you expect or want, but you just got to retrace your steps and make sure you're not going too high with less of a guard. I see a little bit of bulk behind the ear, so I'm just cutting that off. But onto the other side, you just doing the same exact thing. Debulking first, and then I'm gonna come in with my guideline, and then I'm gonna go through my steps.
Yeah, what's up?
Now onto the back of the head, I'm gonna just debulk first with my half guard, and once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in behind the ear and also get that hair behind the ear, and then I'm setting my guideline. So I'm setting in my guideline with my Babylis clips. Sometimes I do it with my trimmers, but the one trimmers, the TPOB trimmers that I use normally for this is I'm having issues with it, so I'm using this. And I'm gonna set my bald line right across the head, then below it, I'm gonna go in with my lever closed and bald out everything under that line. So now with my one guard, I'm gonna flick out at that line. So now at the bottom of the fade, I'm gonna go in with my lever open and I'm gonna flick out at that line. I'm gonna flick out above that line with my half guard slightly open. And it looked like it's some dark spots behind the ear, like a lot of hair, more than it should be. So I'm gonna debulk some more and get behind that ear. With my lever closed, I'm gonna just hit the bottom of that fade and getting that final line out at the bottom. And I'm just wrapping it up now, just finishing off the fade. So with my one guard, I'm just going back over everything and just detailing. So I'm scraping down, I'm pulling down at that line and just making sure to get these vertical lines in the back just nice and smooth. And make sure you don't forget behind the ear. A lot of people make that mistake. They'll do these vertical bars in the back and forget about behind the ear. And this is about wrapping everything up. This is just, if you follow through this video, make sure you comment down below that you made it this far. And if you follow step by step, it should come out nice and crispy. So final results are coming up. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all think down below.